Hello and welcome to the PGEUP video tutorial. Today we are going to learn how we can get an idea about the statistics of our targeted keyword or how we can get the best keywords for our video. We are also going to learn VidIQ and TubeBuddy extension. So let's start. First, we need to install the VidIQ and TubeBuddy extensions in the Chrome. To do it, just click on the three icons at the top right corner. Then take your mouse at the More tools and click the extension. Then click the three lines icon from the top left corner of the window and click here. First, search VidIQ extension. Then click at the Add to Chrome button. You can see here it is successfully installed. Then search TubeBuddy in the search bar. Then click at the Add to Chrome button. Wait until it is fully installed. So when you installed it, you need to sign up with VidIQ and TubeBuddy to use it. So let's sign up with VidIQ first. Just click on the extension. Scroll down and click on the Sign Up. Just select your account you'll sign up with VidIQ. Simple. To sign up with TubeBuddy, just click here. Then tick the box and click the Sign Up with YouTube button. Select your ID. Then select your channel in which you want to use for the videos. Then click the Allow button so you finally sign up with VidIQ and TubeBuddy. So let's check the statistics of the keyword How to delete Facebook account. Check these are the statistics of the video. This section is for the Google Analytics. To get the ranked tags related to these keywords, just tick this box to select them and click on Copy to Clipboard button. Paste it on the notepad for later use. To check the keyword score, click on the Show Keyword Score button. Check this as the search volume and competition on your keyword. Just also select these 6 tags also, copy it and paste on the notepad. These are the tags that help us a lot in the ranking of our video. Let's try a different keyword. This is the Google Analytics from the Google Trends. To find the details of any keyword, just click on it and click on Explore button. You will find all the search details from here about the keyword. To copy the tags of any video, just click on the video. Check these are the tag that the other user use. Don't use all the tags of another video, it will consider as spamming. Just take an idea from your competitors that how they rank. Copy the necessary tags and paste it on the notepad. So it is the method to get tags and rank your video using VidIQ and TubeBuddy. If you like our video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned because very informative videos are coming on this channel.